Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable or turn on the memory saver in the Comet AI web browser. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so as you can see I'm on Comet AI web browser, and let's assume you're a user like me who likes operating a lot with the artificial intelligence here in the Comet AI web browser, having multiple tabs open at the same time. So in some cases, for instance, if your computer's hardware can't handle all of these tabs at once, guys, it may turn out, to enable the memory saver, to save some memory from inactive tabs. You can enable it here in the Comet AI web browser by navigating to the browser settings in the top right corner here, click into that arrow down icon and select settings. Inside your browser settings, guys, what you want to do is navigate to performance here to the left. And here, guys, scroll down to the memory section. And here you may enable the memory saver. It will be enabled on default, I assume, because that's the first time I am disabling it since I have been running, I'm running Comet AI. So it will probably be set to default, but you can turn it off anytime. And you may also customize it and select a moderate memory saving or a balanced, for instance. And there you go, guys. As previously described by me, your tabs will become inactive after a period of time. For instance, if you have multiple of these tabs open and haven't visited most of them for a longer period of time, they will turn inactive and thus save some memory, guys. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.